With the global population set to exceed 9.5 billion people by 2050, the challenge of providing enough food for everyone in sustainable, efficient, and cost-effective way is rising in significance. Shedding the restrictions of seasonal weather patterns, overcoming transportation challenges, and significantly enhancing yields, the growing trend of vertical farming or plant factories could herald the future of food production. But with the sharp rise in the number of people on our planet over recent centuries as a result of the Industrial Revolution, increased living standards, and falling mortality rates, the pressure on traditional farming has continually increased. While modern techniques have enabled enhanced production rates, more than 11% of the world's total land area is now used for crop production. Furthermore, as our cities expand, added challenges are a changing climate that is disrupting seasonal weather patterns and the lack of suitable soils in the close proximity to rapidly expanding areas. One potential solution is the quite literally growing trend of vertical farming or plant factories, a concept that sees the sprawling crop farms of old condensed into much smaller factory-like sites where conditions can be optimized and yields significantly increased. Innovation like mini plant factory see crop produce in an enclosed environment, where almost everything from the lighting and ambient temperature to growing media condition and nutrients are carefully controlled. This innovation uses vertical racking installed in the growth chamber to optimize condition and space, as compared to a conventional crop farm, enabling it to be located on a far smaller site, much closer to an established urban area, and even can be placed inside the house. On a mini plant factory, lighting, water, and temperature can all be optimized to remove climatic risks and enhance production rates. The use of a controlled environment also eliminates the loss from birds and insects that must be factored on conventional farms, cutting the need for harmful pesticides to be used and improving the quality of produce. In many instances, soil is removed altogether and crops are grown on growing media like rock wool, cocoa peat, and hydrotron, where they are sprayed, flowing, or flooded with nutrient-rich solutions. To optimize crop production process also allows mini plant factory user to reduce the amount of water used by collect and recycle the water condensed within the controlled environment itself. This closed-cycle approach has the added benefit of preventing nutrients and fertilizers from damaging land or being washed in rivers and streams. While the mini plant factory concept still represents a small part of the global food production industry, the benefits it offers to our ever-expanding population could come to tilt the farming landscape by 90 degrees.